Hello and welcome. This is Sunili, and today I am here to take you on a virtual tour of the campus, which is North India's leading institute. एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट जिसके पास NAC A+ एक्रेडिटेशन है, द बेस्ट रैंकिंग है, हाई स्किल फैकल्टी है और 100% प्लेसमेंट ऑफर्स. Well, I'm talking about CGC Mohali. So are you ready to go to the campus tour of institute from the comfort of your home? So let's go. Alright, so after the main entrance, this is the open hand monument, which is the main attraction for all of the students because they get the opportunity to take the pictures, make the memories of their college life. और सबसे खास बात ये है that this open hand monument symbolizes peace and unity of mankind. So right now I'm standing right in front of Block 3, which is Chandigarh College of Engineering block. Apart from this, in this block we have Incubation Cell, Venture Next, Media Department, Dell Lab, Happiness Center, and so much more. And right next to it you can see this is Block 4, which is also called Law Bhavan. Here we also have Mini Auditorium and DCPD department, which is Division of Career Planning and Development.
Alright, so now I'm standing right in front of Block 3 and Block 4. You already know about Block 3 like I introduced you before. But this is Block 4, which is also known as the Law Bhavan. And it has Law Department. Apart from that, it has DCPD cell, which is Division for Career Planning and Development. We have OTT department, optometry departments, some BBA classes are also being conducted here. And well, this block is again a blend of modern architecture and cultural essence. Well, now I'm standing right in front of the Block 5, which is Pharmacy block. Apart from pharmacy, we have an account office here, a dance room, paramedical courses are also being conducted here. And well, in front of every block, we have a parking area. So total parking areas are 5, and in each parking area, we have the accommodation of 30 to 40 vehicles. Well, right now I am in the food court area, जिसको हम eating joints भी कहते हैं. And well, if you want to freshen up your mood, want to take a study break, this particular eating joints area allows you to enjoy the meal, whether you want to grab a cup of coffee, sandwich or a pizza. So ये वो जगह है जो friendly atmosphere के साथ साथ आपको delicious food options देता है, और अब तो ये एक community space बन चुका है. Now I'm standing in a place which needs no introduction. You can see clearly that this is the canteen and mess area where everybody, the staff as well as the students, they are enjoying their meals. This side we have the faculty lounge, specially designed for the faculty, and here the sitting space is for the students. Here you will get the fresh and hygienic meals. तो यहाँ का खाना सिर्फ एक ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये एक experience है. And well, as you can see the entire area, that this space is enough for making memories, lifelong friendships and sharing laughters.
Alright, so clearly visible that this is our sports arena. ये वो एरिया है जिसमें हिंदुस्तान के बड़े बड़े स्पोर्ट्समैन ने विजिट किया, जैसे कि ग्रेट खली and sportswomen like wrestler Babita Phogat. Apart from that, we have this basketball court, volleyball court and badminton court. On top of that, there is a net practice area for all the students who are very fond of cricket. And well, this is an absolute example of active campus life.
Right, so right now I am in the snooker area of our campus, and well, as you can see, that this is a very vibrant space having high quality tables. And whether you are a seasoned player or a beginner, you can come here and socialize with your friends and relax at the same time.
So this is the happiness center of our campus. As the name indicates that the center is all about happiness. All the mental well-being and emotional balance is being taken care of in this center. And for that we have a very experienced team of counselors and psychologists who are here to provide you with personalized guidance and support so that all the students can navigate through the challenges. And our organization always aims to create an environment where you feel valued, heard, and empowered. So this is the admission cell of our campus where you get registered yourself for all the dreams that you have dreamt of. And in this admission process, you are assigned a concerned person ताकि आपकी जो admission journey है और आपका पूरा जो सफर है CGC में वो hassle free. Also, you get the entire facility that you have dreamt of. तो ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे आप आगे बढ़ने का फैसला ले लेते हो and the new chapter of your life begins. So this is the DCP department, which is Division of Career Planning and Development. This department converts your dreams into jobs because they are responsible for the placement of the students, and this year we have the highest package of 56. Child producer, they can mock interviews, the placement drive. Everything is carried out by this department. And well, this entire department makes sure that your journey from campus to corporate is excellent. This is the Ashok Leyland cell. As the name indicates, this is our collaboration with Ashok Leyland brand. This is the live engine area, and this entire cell gives you the opportunity to work on the real world practices of the transport system. Most importantly, यहाँ पे innovation के साथ साथ सभी students को connect करने का मौका मिलता है. तो ऐसा कहा जा सकता है that this cell has the capacity to accelerate the career of all the students. So this is the bench nest, and this is the place where all the dreams, the development startups, all the budding entrepreneurs and सभी को एक डायरेक्शन यहाँ पे दी जाती है because obviously they have innovative ideas and those innovative ideas get the practical shape in this cell. Right, and again, that we have a very hardworking team. चाहे वो networking है या फिर mentoring है या फिर execution, तो इन सब तीनों चीजों का जो perfect ecosystem है वो यहाँ पे available है. So we have very beautifully designed the incubator cell, and right now we're standing. This is the welcome launch for all the visitors, and we have 2 more cells present here. Also, we have a business strategy room. Have a glimpse. Blockchain lab of our campus, and well, this introduces the students to the future of technology. या फिर ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं that this makes them ready for the digital age. Languages like C++, Java, Python,
सब सिखाया जाता है so that they can develop websites in the future, develop apps and softwares. Apart from that, they also learn cryptocurrency and learn how to secure the data systems. So in short, this space, this lab teaches them every expertise so that they make the digital world safe.
So this is the media lab of our campus, which is a perfect and inspirational space for all the storytellers. यहाँ पे आपको क्रिएटिव माइंड्स एक टेक्नोलॉजी का एक परफेक्ट ब्लेंड देखने को मिलता है. As you see this media lab all around, we have high-tech equipment like cameras, three-point lighting systems, and the computers which teach you the best video editing because we have the best video editing tools. तो चाहे फिल्म मेकिंग है, कंटेंट क्रिएशन है, डिजिटल आर्ट है या फिर एंकरिंग है, this labs allows you to explore your passion and develop the skills to the fullest.
So this is the moot court for all the law students, and mooting is one of the most important skills that student needs to learn in their career journey. And well, as you can see, this is the courtroom which offers all the budding lawyers real world stimulations. यहाँ पे logic और talent का असली टेस्ट होता है, which enhances the confidence of the students. They get to learn the teamwork, case analysis, and most importantly, communication. So this is the OTT room of our campus, यानी कि Legal Operation Theatre, where students are taught how to do a surgery or how to ventilate a patient and how to deal all the emergency situations and traumas. On top of that, they are also taught how to extract the vital status of the patient, and the surgeries which they are learned here can be from fields like cardiology, gynecology, orthopedics, and so much more. So in short, we can say that this room prepares the student to be the future technologist. So this is the optometry lab of our campus, where you find the latest and advanced eye examination instruments. So in this particular lab, we have a refraction room, we have contact lens clinic, and a clinic which is again equipped with advanced technology so that the student can learn eye testing and diagnosis of all the eye-related diseases, and most importantly, they can learn the refraction. So it is not wrong to say that this lab is preparing the future optometrists, and this is their first step to be the best optometrists in the country.
So this is BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology Lab, and well, this lab bridges the gap between the medicine and technology. And as you can see, this particular lab, we have high-tech equipments just to allow the students to learn the advanced imaging technology, X-ray, MRI, CT scan, and ultrasound. So the state-of-the-art lab and the expert faculty allows the students to prepare for a very promising future in the hospital, diagnostic centers, and research centers.
So this is the library of our campus, which has vast collection of books, journals, and digital resources. As you can see, there is dedicated space offered to the students for perfect concentration and deep learning. Well, this is the center for academic support and growth. Definitely, this is an unparalleled space for deep learning, concentration and focus. हर एक कोना, हर एक कॉर्नर इस लाइब्रेरी का आपकी एकेडमिक ग्रोथ को सपोर्ट करता है. So this is the pharmacy lab, which is all about teaching the theoretical and practical aspects of pharmaceutical and healthcare stuff. चाहे वो मेडिसिन साइंस है या ह्यूमन केयर, दोनों चीजों का ब्लेंड इसी लैब में सिखाया जाता है. So whether it is latest advancements or practical practices, everything is taught. So this is not wrong to say that this lab is a journey towards healing and innovation. So this is the forensic lab of our campus, which is a dedicated space for the study and application of forensic science. As you can see that this lab is equipped with latest tools and technologies ताकि बच्चे crime scene investigation, DNA profiling, fingerprint analysis और toxicology सीख सकें. So it would not be wrong to say that this particular forensic lab prepare the students for law enforcement, criminal justice and forensic research. So this is the biotechnology lab of our campus, and well, this lab is specifically designed to foster innovation and research in the field of life sciences. As you can see, in this lab there are various instruments and technologies so that the students can learn the various aspects in the field of biotechnology like genetic engineering, microbiology, and molecular biology, and a lot of the fields. Well, so this lab somehow it bridges the gap between the theoretical knowledge and the real world practices so that they can enter into the real world and perform their best in the real world.
So this is BSc Medical Lab Science, and again this lab is equipped with latest equipments which allows the student to conduct medical lab tests accurately and at the same time analyze their results. यहाँ की जो faculty है, expert guidance है, वो उन्हें ये सिखाती है that how to conduct a lab test very accurately, चाहे वो pathology की field से है, hematology की field से है, which in turn gives them a very promising careers in hospitals, diagnostic centers as lab technicians, scientific officer and molecular scientist.
Alright, so right now I am here in the laundry room, which is a facility both in girls' hostel and boys' hostel. So you get the convenience of washing your clothes very easily and in a hassle-free manner. You just need to install an app and then you can wash your clothes without any problem because it is very organized. As you can see here, I have a glimpse in the entire room. So we can say that this laundry room is a perfect place for comfort and cleanliness. So this is the international cell, which is especially designed for international students who are studying here from various countries. And well, here we have a team of very talented people who are exclusively in touch with the international students. From their admission process to the last day in the campus, everything is made hassle-free. Also, this cell takes care of all the best global collaborations. So this is the conference hall of our campus where all the important and impactful decisions take place. चाहे वो किसी डिपार्टमेंट की मीटिंग है, प्रोफेशनल एक्सीलेंस को लेकर कोई बात है या फिर स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग, हर एक फैसले की शुरुआत किसी कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल से होती है. So this is a perfect place for creativity and practicality. So this is the seminar hall of our campus where all the guest lectures happen. चाहे वो किसी influential leader से बात करनी है या फिर किसी inspiring speaker से inspiration लेनी है, the students get the opportunity to interact with them. This is how they learn, grow and gain insights जो कहीं ना कहीं उनके future को invaluable बनाता है. So this is the civil lab which shapes the future of infrastructure. All the students who are interested in learning the construction of buildings and roads, this is the place where they learn to turn blueprint into reality. चाहे वो small model की बात हो या फिर एक बड़े project को design करने की बात हो, all the professionals help them to learn all of it. So this is the fashion lab of our campus where future designers are made. So the lab that you're seeing right now is serving as a space where imagination meets skills, which allows the students to come up with new ideas, experiment and learn. चाहे वो कोई fashion design है, textile innovation है या garment construction है, ये किसी भी idea को tangible यानी वास्तविक piece of art में convert कर देती है. So definitely this entire space is very inspiring for all the artists.
So this is the girls' hostel जिसका नाम गंगोत्री है. Well, girls' hostel में you can find the most comfortable rooms, nutritious food और vibrant atmosphere. We have basketball court which ultimately allows the students to maintain their work-life balance and letting them stay fit and concentrate on their studies. So this is the boys' hostel. जिसका नाम हिमालयन हॉस्टल है।
और यहाँ की हर एक फैसिलिटी की बहुत है, चाहे वो कंफर्टेबल रूम है, है या वाइब्रेंट। यहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर हर एक स्टूडेंट को अलाउ करता है कि वो आराम से एक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मेंटेन कर सके और अपनी पढ़ाई को बहुत अच्छे से कंसंट्रेट कर सकेगा। मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली, दिस हॉस्टल इज अ होम अवे फ्रॉम। You don't have to worry about anything because CGC provide everything that you want in your home. This is the bank facility that we have in campus, like exclusively designed to have seamless transactions in our campus for all the students. Well, यहाँ का हर एक ट्रांजेक्शन बहुत इजी है, सिक्योर है, कन्वीनियंट है और सेफ है। सबसे खास बात, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात कि यहाँ का ATM सेंटर है that is very well maintained and you don't have to worry about any type of transaction, and obviously trust and comfort is always our first priority. So this is the MCC room जहाँ पे patriotism और discipline का जज्बा हमेशा मजबूत होता है. Through this program, they develop teamwork, learn discipline, and obviously they build resilience. All these are the essential traits which go beyond academics. और सबसे खास और important role play करता है उनकी personal development. I can say that this is a very inspiring space for all the students to develop them and obviously to make them better citizens of India.